Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create partitions by shrinking volume in Windows 10. So, first we need to do is in the search box type create and format hard disk partitions. So, click here and okay. Here you can see all our local disks. So for example, I wanna shrink this one and make a partition by shrinking this drive or disk, whatever. What we need to do is select it. Here it is. Shrink volume. As you can see, this is the maximum volume. You can modify it according to your needs. For now, for the sake of this video, I am keeping it default, like as it is shown here. So shrink and good to go. And now we are not done yet. Now, as you can see, there's a new space called up to 97.73 GB. It's unallocated, unallocated. My bad. Now click here, right click and then click New Simple Volume. Then a wizard will pop up and then click Next. This is the size. You know what to do here, I guess. And you can choose a drive later on your own. For now, let's keep it H only. Then next, you have to do nothing here. You can, and here you can change the name of the partition, like I'm writing local disk, right? So next and finish. Wait a minute. For some reason we cannot do local disk E, so let's do local disk F. So yeah, so shrink volume. Yeah, here's a space here. View simple volume. Next, and finish. Okay. Yeah. So another volume is made. Yeah. As you can see here, because we shrink it. So there's now only 3.04 GB. Okay, now then you changed your mind and then you wanna extend, like you wanna get your want to reset all of this. So what you need to do is click here. volume. As you can see, it is deleted. Then what you need to do is extend the volume. Here it is. Next, and there you go. See. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I know I stutter a lot and I'm a little shy, so maybe you didn't like this video. So comment down your feedback, or if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Goodbye.